Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I took this clip art image off of Facebook. Somebody was asking, well, her question was how she could weld it where the cape topper would stick in, but it wasn't a vector file, and I'm not sure if she just sent a picture or she actually sent the file. So I thought I'd clean it up for her. I've already done it. I've already posted the file, but I thought I'm gonna maybe show her how to do it. So this is a clip art, and it's a JPEG, and it's pixelized pretty bad, pretty rough, and you can see the white background. And a lot of times you don't have to convert it to a bitmap. So I tried just tracing it first, and it worked. Go to Outline Trace, Clip Art, and it'll trace it here in just a second. I didn't have to change any of the parameters and detail, and that's why I like to use clip art, because it's already kind of set. This will take just a second, and it's done. So now we can move our new trace version out of the way, and we can completely get rid of our clip art, but we'll just put it up here for right now. So this is all grouped together, and you can see it's got some white background. So the easiest way to correct that would be to select it, ungroup, and then take the black part of the bicycle and move it out of the way. So now the white part stayed there, and you can delete that. Now let's put that back, and you've got a transparent, and the bicycle is pretty clean. It's got some nodes here that could be removed very easily, and it's almost better to look at things in red hairline, and it's almost probably better not to use my yellow box because you can see a little bit better. And the first thing I noticed when I cleaned it up is the cape topper, the stake, has some wavy lines. So we're going to click on it, and we're just going to get rid of some of these inner nodes. And we're going to move this node up here. We're going to get rid of some of these other nodes. And then we're going to turn all these three into a line. We need to turn this one into a line. And what it did, it gave us crisper, sharper. There's a little funny thing going on here. I guess there's two nodes. We can delete one of them. And you could center that up and make it a little bit more proportionate, but it's going inside of a cake, so I don't really think it matters, but we could clean it up here. And one way you could do it is just bring an indexing line about to the center between those two nodes. So these are it's pretty centered. I wouldn't even mess with it. And then get rid of these nodes on the exterior wheel on the bicycle, because those are really going to show on being on the exterior, so you can get rid of those as long as you don't lose your shape. Everything should work. I mean, it's got some extra nodes, and if I was going to do it for myself, I would clean it up quite a bit more. I'm questioning the handlebars. If they're going to be cut out, these are going to be really, really breakable, really thin. So I might, on mine, if I was going to do it, I might bring the handlebar up here and just take your virtual segment delete key and make that. They'll still look like two handlebars, but it'll be a little bit stronger. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. So this would completely cut out. This is a vector clean hairline file, and it's going to be fragile. So I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to make another video on a suggestion how to make it less fragile and do one of these. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.